I see you, peekaboo, I see you, looking at me, looking at you. Hold up, where you going? What you doing? Who you seeing? What you need? What you want? I said, with all.
Hello everyone. My name is Alex and I'm developer of the game Elemental Novice. Right now I'm doing a spell making marathon where I create one new spell in my game every day. And today is the third day of the marathon. Today I'm gonna make a new spell called Firestorm. Idea that fire fall from the sky and damage enemy in area. It's kind of very basic spell. I mean, you figure out what it's doing. Similar spell was in a Gothic. I don't remember which part exactly. So if you like game development, magic systems, or something like this, subscribe to the channel and make wish list, add the game into wish list. And let's start to do the magic, do the stuff. Also, I'm doing some drafts, so it's not like ultimate clear version, but it's okay anyway. Also, if somebody'd like to have a game, I have some team keys. I think I can give them through the Discord, so subscribe to Discord as well. How does people give out team keys through the Discord? Interesting. Okay, never mind. So let's talk about my magic system one more time. I have some spells, for example, Ice Cube, and when I create it, I spend some cold energy, and then I have some warm energy around the player, and player have to use it later, because he gonna be out of mana. And when he uses, he'll be able to spawn some spells, which I'm doing right now. Yeah, and today I'd like to add some new spell. Those are passive spells, would mean player cannot control them. So it's gonna be fire, passive, fire rain or fire storm. Storm sound better, but rain, fire rain. Okay, no, I'm gonna use storm word. Storm. Passive storm. I'm gonna change it literally temporary. I will have to generate new icons. Let's open the spell, and data is this. Now let's add this spell to player. Variable, not this. So by major type fire. Let's remove this and make it storm. Okay. I think I can remove all of them, but I'd like to leave some But this I'd like to be the first. Firestorm. Oh. Storm. I should remove this stuff. Let's create something. I wanna make a blueprint. Blueprint. Actor. How should I throw it? Fire. Projectile. Blueprint. I'm gonna add here Niagara system. And it's gonna be it's gonna be this thing. Oh, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Fire projectile. Gonna be this. And I'd like to add movement. Right. Movement. Projectile movement. Okay. And sphere collision. Like this. I like it be visible. In games false. And let's see how does this actor looks in a game. Passive spell. Fire projectile. Okay. Fire projectile. Let's add additional collision. Wall for moving. Technically, I already have such such actor. It just look a little bit different. Okay, let's remove this fire projectile. Or maybe not remove. I have some similar spell. Magic system. Ice spell. Hail. Ice hail blueprint. And ice hail. Add icon. Okay, I'm gonna start with ice spells, and then if I won't be able to use instead of ice spells fire projectiles, I'm gonna switch. Of shards not used. confused. Flying rock. Draw without rotation. Mm-hmm. The radius. Firestorm. Settle location nearby player. Should start stream earlier. Now I feel slightly sleepy, maybe because I have to do the stuff. And I was in a gym, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I again slightly tired, but it's okay. This. And I should make some radius. Amount of elements. No. That's 1,000. For now. So what is gonna happen? Still gonna be nearby player. Uh-huh. This index. This is tick of the spell. Why is it here? Ah, I didn't get it. So this stuff is spawning. This is endless loop. How am I gonna get out of this loop? Let's do this. 10. Then delay. And then do the ticks. So it's gonna be by ticks. Okay, so how is gonna work? Spell nearby player. I gonna spawn some projectiles down, and then into after 0.2 seconds I gonna check if the spell strong enough to spawn another one. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was one tick. Mhm. I'm not sure because I expected. Mhm. Player appears around coordinate 0000. Turn. Spell location is 0000. Uh-huh. That's spell location. This. Okay. Okay, so this is ice storm. Now I should make from this fire. Uh, ta- 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 ta. Mm, so for making this, let's see. First of all, this the mesh. I can copy this. Did I do? Yes. Playing rock ice. It has a bunch of stuff. What's this? Is the original is also with some problems? No, it's not. Why? So it's based. It made from rock. Okay, I don't want to have it as a rock. File reparent blueprint actor reparent. And I expect that a lot of stuff will stop. Not gonna work. No. What's this? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Should it have health component? I don't think so. So let's remove this for now. Row 2. The top buffer I'm gonna leave. Keep it. I don't need this. This function is good. And then row 2 is also should left. Should keep. Don't need this. Okay, this function is good. Maybe. Buffer, I don't see errors for now yet. Here. Get from buffer. I don't have mesh here. Not gonna have at all. Static mesh also don't have mesh. Not gonna have this. Okay. What's this roll without rotation? Not sure. Bound by actor. I know what is this. And oh, directly from the player. I may use it later. Okay, I'm not gonna use it now, so I'm gonna remove this. This is activate particles. Okay, I'd like to have this function, and as a particle, I'm gonna do this. Yes, this. This. What? Emitter. On system application. Play sound. I'm not gonna do this right now. Was destroyed by. Also not gonna do this right now. You know what? I can put this into set to buffer. It just function, it's not implemented interface. I get from buffer. Oh, get from buffer should be without this thing. It should be set to buffer. Then what should I do? Should I do? Yeah, is there a throw from throw to player? Not right now. No, I'm not gonna have this. I don't have this component anymore. Rotative spikes, it's not spikes anymore. It's different actor. What do I have? Activate particle, don't have this. It's gonna be very simple. Actor. Yes. Okay, I will remove this for now at least. So it's gonna be only throw from. Let me see how it makes. Okay. Throw without rotation. Throw without rotation. Do I have this function here? Hello, I see some viewer. My name is Alex, I'm doing a game, Elemental Novice. And I'm doing a spell. I'm trying to make now one spell per day. Because I added some new feature. And I need a bunch of new spells. So this function is useful. And then this function isn't useful yet. And if I will need it, I will create one. And it's not compiled because I don't have something. I don't have. And I'm not gonna have this. I'm not gonna have this. Still have some errors. Some wrong references of all codes. Check reset projectiles. This interesting shouldn't be here. Okay, it compiling. So I have here sphere. I'd like to see it. Hidden game false. What else I'd like to have? Okay, let's do only sphere for now. So in this function where I do storm for new viewer, I'd like to show what I'm trying to make. So I have a spell. When I concentrate now, it's gonna be some little fire. And I like to change those icicles to fire particles. Okay. So now I'm gonna do yeah, fire. Instead of this, I'm gonna do Let's rename it. It's not flying rock. It's fire projectile. And in Firestorm, I copied this. Fire projectile, I have two. For this, let's remove this one. First delete. It was my first draft, but then I realized that I have some similar actor. I hope Unreal Engine not gonna crash. It didn't crash. I am so lucky. Then Firestorm. And yeah, I have only this. Some stuff I don't need anymore, like material. Meshes, I don't need this, I don't need this. Compile, random scale, remove this. And oops. Engine, answer me. Okay. Spawn actor from class. Yeah, now it looks better. And do I have throw without rotation? Yes, I have it here. So instead of this actors, I'm gonna spawn this new one. And I expect some collisions falling from the sky. They appear, they stay for a while, and then they fall. I'd like to say that it's almost success. It's good, it's good. So let's add Niagara system particle. So it look nice. Yeah, I need this. Fire projectile. Not here, not here. Into fire projectile, I'm adding Niagara system. Oh, and it already inserted the system which I used. So let's see how is it gonna look like. Yeah. The question, why is it stays in the sky around a second and only then it fall down? That's the mystery, and I'm gonna cover this mystery. I'm using function throw without rotation. Do this, reset projectile. So the things fall down by gravitation and I'm not enabling gravitation instantly. What if I gonna do it instantly? Yes, yes. Now I want, there is another mystery. When projectiles fell down, they're not destroying. I didn't make logic for destroying. I think they're going down. And if I go down as well, yeah, they're not disappearing just now. They just gonna go and go. Yeah, like this. Oh, some reason they got destroyed. Oh, because I have logic here. I have logic. Set the buffer in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. But now I want they blow up when they hit something. For this, I'm gonna do the sphere on hit or on being overlap. That's always the question for me. I always don't know the answer, but let's do on overlap. As an actor, let's do the fire damage. Apply damage. Fire. And let's make 22. I should make some file which should have table of the damages. For example, small damage equal 10 middle damage equal 15 and something like this, and from those file I should insert damages to this stuff, but I think I will do it when I start to do balancing of the game. So damage causer and set to buffer. Set to buffer. So when I gonna set to buffer, I gonna disable this collision. Set collision enable. And technically they already disappearing. I saw how it get to buffer. Detach from actor. I'm not sure. It's not this case. Time to disable, okay. Get my player state. Set actor to buffer. Okay, gonna keep this. This is the buffer itself. I'm resetting the target stuff. Was thrown. And when I get it from buffer, set to buffer. This function isn't in use right now. Get from buffer. This activate. Not activate. Okay. And I'd like to do this. But it's already gonna be fall into throw to buffer. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. And let's see if it's gonna explode a little bit. No, nothing happened. It just keep went down. On being overlapped as an actor. Apply damage, set to buffer. Aha, sphere do not has any collision. Let's do variant physics. Overlap static, dynamic, and pound. Maybe physics body as well. And generate overlap events. Now I'm gonna do the stuff. Yeah, that's amazing. Let's see one more. I want zombie be damaged by this thing. My player state. Magic system. No, not magic system blueprint. My player state. I may rewrite the system later. Okay. Now I should get some fire energy. And if I concentrate, nothing hits the I think player got some damage. Okay, I saw some hit. For some reason wooden items wasn't damaged. Let's see how it's gonna be with... Okay. Okay. The player get damage as well. Let's add health component. No, not here. Here. Health component. Maybe... I'm thinking. Let me drink a little bit. I was a little bit distracted. Yeah, I have phone here and I'm periodically looking what's going on in Oh. What do I want to do? The firestorm make damage to player. So the easiest way is make equal player character, not equal player character. True, false. So if it's not player, then make damage. Otherwise, not. And it should be very easy. The easiest solution. Let's hide. Let's duplicate the zombie. And let's hide this sphere. Also, maybe I should make those spheres slightly bigger. Right now it's 32, let's make it 40. Let's make it 50. Oh. And let's see how it's gonna look like. Yes, I think it's better with size 50. I think I can make it even bigger. Are they damaging them at all? 59, 56. No, it's not. Let's make 70. Mm-hmm. They definitely get under this rain. They have to. Yeah, I see. But they're not getting damage. Damaged actor. I lose this. Okay, now I see that some of the zombies taking some damage. Yes. Okay. And I'd like to hide this sphere. Like this. It's a little bit uncontrollable. I have to say that it's very uncontrollable. It's more fun than useful. But okay, because I have the timing, I'd like to finish the game. It is looks fun. So I think I did today what I wanted to do. The spell, fire spell, uh, which make damage. Some passive fire spell. That was cool. And I think I have some a little bit more time. I can do the game a little bit more, let's work on some other spell. So a couple days ago, 2, if it be precise, if I want to be precise, I made this thing. I made some another spell, and let's see what I wanna change in this spell. So spell, my player state, remove this. It's Fire Passive Guardian. Let's duplicate, let's duplicate, let's duplicate, let's duplicate, let's duplicate. Oh, by the way, I didn't enable any music here today. Or maybe I just not hearing it. Okay, now it's gonna play. Fire Guardian, very interesting spell. But when I started to do it, it looked like this. Look like that. I'd like to go out from player or maybe into player. Let's try to make the second version of this spell. Magic system, not fire spells, magic system, passive spells, fire spells, guardian, folder. Fire guardian. Move. Yeah. And let's do copy paste. Like this. So this should be deleted. Okay. And press this. And let's use it again. I'd like to remove this stuff. What is it? Is it this projectile movement? Not use anything. Ah, it's because it's spell. Guardian. We don't need it. I'd like to add those fire projectiles. It should be my player state. Oh, we're not from buffer. Okay. I'm not gonna check it now. How are they gonna fix this? Also gonna do the same. Into this fire guardian. And projectile. Here is the location. Exactly. What is it? No. World location.
There's no time for regret, but I remember how I slept in your chest.
Why?
I want to forget it, take a breath and leave you away. But it's not that easy, 'cause you make me miss you again. If you want, just come. If you want, just come. Don't leave me again, leave me
Okay.
again. If you want, just come. If you want, just come. Don't leave me again, leave me again.
What am I doing right now? Let's see if it works, if it's gonna spawn the stuff. and nothing happened. Only some stuff going on.
Try to be honest, I'm not good at letting down my guard. I really want it. Before you, I was running in the dark. When you said this was goodbye, that's when I realized I can't live without you. I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
They're not moving.
Try to be honest, I'm not good at letting down my guard. I really want it. Before you, I was running in the dark. When you said this was goodbye, that's when I realized I can't live without you. I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only you.
Those projectiles work. Player must move. Okay. Brilliant. What if I want rotation war independent?
When you said this was goodbye, that's when I realized I can't live without you.
We don't have
I want rotation be independent. I want attach to actor, but I don't want to rotate. It work. Nope. Still doing the same stuff. Spell implementation is a little bit different. You know what? I'm getting a little bit tired. So let's sit down today. Okay. Why? Is it destroyed by the ball?
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Okay. I'd like change something. Um, Okay, I don't like it. I like this version.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder.
Okay, my brain is off. Thank you everybody who was today. I'd like to remind you that my name is Alex. I'm doing the game Elemental Novice. You know what? I'm gonna to finish this game this year. Right now I'm doing a spell making marathon where I'm trying to create one spell every day. Today is the third day of the marathon. I made today some fire spell, firestorm spell, and if you have ideas for spells or something like this, text me somewhere. The int on Twitch, links on Discord and other things.